So today is 3rd June 2026, and the market has just closed, and it's 15:33, 3:33. So I thought I'll make a video and update you about the next move. So today was a fantastic day, as we expected that there will be recovery in the day, and same thing I updated in my Discord channel also. And next time I'll update the Discord channel link on the comment, so anybody who wants to join, can join. It's free. There's no charges. We only discuss for only for our educational purpose, and there's no charges. Nobody has to pay anything. So okay, now coming back to the market. So today there was a roller coaster ride. In fact, if I just open the 5 minute chart, uh, one second, it's taking a little bit of time. uh, 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 that's a problem with investing. Okay, this is a 5 minute chart. So we opened it at 23,421, then we made a low around 12 o'clock, and then we made a recovery. However, we are still not closed in green. We closed in red only. So that's the one point which I mentioned in my yesterday video, that I am not at all a bullish. I was just expecting some dead cat bounce, and after that I'm expecting at least 500 to 1000 point fall in Nifty in 3 to 4 trading days. That's it. Not more than that. 3 to 4 trading days maximum. So now let's come to the market again, and this is the same chart, the same investing chart which I was trying to explain you, and I'll tell you what happened today. So see, this is the I have drawn this is the daily chart, and I've drawn two parallel channels. These are called parallel channels, or you call it a rectangle, okay, whatever you call. So basically, market is trading in the same channel, and after that it did give a breakdown. The same breakdown I'm expecting it here also. So here, if you see, this is it's traded in the channel. This is you can see the date on below. So from this is from the September 2025, and after that the channel was almost there till February, and then it did give a breakdown, and then it came down to this level. Same thing, I'm expecting a channel breakdown to this also. This is also trading from April itself. Okay, and after that it's still in the trading the channel only. But the why I'm weak. I have a why I'm weak on this Nifty. Why I feel that Nifty or index will fall, because see, if you see, I would like to bring into your notice. See, this is the parallel channel, and this is the one candle is for one day. So it's a downward. If you can see it's a downward trend line, where it is making lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and higher low, higher low, higher low. So here the low was here, then low was here, and today it made a lowest low of this entire channel. If this channel is this yellow thing, okay. So in the entire box today, it made a lowest low. The low was 23152. Here you can see the figure 23152. Before that, the low was 23262. So it break down, it break the previous low. So this is again the confirmation that market is weak. I was expecting at least some recovery till 23 800 to 900. From there I wanted to short, but my time period was also important. My time period was 3rd or 4th June. That is my maximum which I was expecting a high, or bullish days. So today 3rd is already over, and we just did a roller coaster ride. We did not cross yesterday high. So tomorrow, I'm not sure. We might see a big gap down also. But if we, by chance, if we see above, we might see above this also, because technically it should touch this level, which is 23,500 kind of thing level. So if it comes here, it's well and good. Then just take a short position, okay, because my target after that is minimum to minimum this line, which is 22,587, 22,587. Where it closed today? Today's close at today it closed at 23,393 and 22,587, almost 500 and 300, 800 to 900 points. I think it will fall more also, but this entire fall will happen either tomorrow, some part of the day, then Friday, and that fall will continue on 8th also. 9th we will see where the level is landing, then we'll decide. But 3 consecutive days you will see a decent significant fall. So forget about whether 23,600, 650 comes or not. But tomorrow any rise is an opportunity to go short. You can take the month end puts, a little bit longer duration puts, like 30th and all, whatever suits to you, decide yourself. Everybody is intelligent here. I know that people are option trader, so I don't need to give them advice that what they want to take it, but they can take with their own convenience and wait patiently. Patience always pays well. Like today in my chat room, in my Discord, I'll tell you this is the thing. What I do in the morning itself. This see you can see the time here. 9:40. I wrote the 73800 call from tomorrow expiry at 4:46. Now focus on this target 1000 plus today only. 50 to 60 range it will be trade in first half, then upside in second half. Now, if I show you the same thing, how this chart has how this call has risen. Okay, I'll open this thing. So, so here it started it. Then it came down to from 446 where I advised it came down to 256 kind of level also. But I clearly wrote that key there will be good recovery in second half. And in second half, it did touch near to 1000 level also. However, it closed at 700, 740, but still in profit. When you are trading options, then you have to decide accordingly that whatever the risk you can take on your capital, that trade use that amount only, because these are the near to expiry options. So these are very risky, but it gives very good return also. And you know sometimes your sentiment kills your entire trade. So if you trade with a smaller amount, it's not necessary to use entire capital into single one trade. You can use a smaller amount. One in smaller amount, if you're making 15 to 20% per trade, so it's more than enough. And let me tell you, there will be only 2, 3, 4 days profitable day. So try to save your capital as much as possible. So these are just another friendly advice. So as now my thoughts are very much clear. I told you you don't need to wait for 800, 900 kind of level. Tomorrow, if you see any green, then you should go for you should take a risk and, and take position accordingly. The good part is that when the market falls, the VIX rises and the puts are double benefit. Puts give double benefit as compared to the calls, because when the market goes up, the VIX falls and the calls rate don't go up as according to the put. So this is the another thing. So I hope I'm very much clear into it. I told you, explained you, everything is there in chart only. If if some and this and one disclaimer, this is only for education purpose. So I was just sharing my thoughts. Anybody wants to take real trade on it, so please consult your financial advisor or decide yourself. I'm not responsible for your loss and profit. I'm just here to guide, to tell you what are my views about the market. Okay, hopefully I have conveyed you very quickly, and it's a short video. I don't want to make it very long. So because there are so many things, people says data, FAs, buying, selling, everything is there, but I only see the chart, and chart tells you clearly. Okay, like here you can see here it made a high, and after that with entire its effort, it's not even about to cross the 50% of the high. So that only shows that it is bent to go down first from here, then only it will decide whether it goes up or go down, or probably further down. Because personally, my targets are quite below in nifty. I would make a video on a longer term view also, but right now I think right now, okay, yeah, it's a monthly chart. So now every candle is of the month, 1 month candle. So my target, if I see, it's on a monthly basis, it should break this. So 22,000 should be broken. Then only we'll decide whether it what is the next move. Okay, thank you very much.